Hey guys, it's Agatha here with 360 Photo Booth Expert. We're going to be doing a quick tutorial on your newer flash. So number one, if you press these two buttons on the side, you'll be able to remove this battery out. And as you can see here, you're going to grab your charger. I normally label all my stuff so that way I know exactly where each one goes. And you plug it in there and you'll notice that it's showing red, which means it's charging. When it's green, it'll be fully charged. When you're ready to put it up back in, you're just going to go ahead and slide that directly inside and make sure it snaps in. Now next, you'll see that your flash power button is right here at the bottom, so just turn it on. Make sure it's exactly like this, letter M, and then this is how you could change your different intensity. So 1/8 is pretty strong. That's even stronger. And if I hit test, you can see how big it is versus this, versus here. See how it gets smaller? So just to kind of show you, that's how you adjust your intensity. So if you need it brighter, you maybe want to go 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1/1. Take some pictures. If you don't need a lot of light though, just bring it down to 1/64. Make sure it's on the letter M, and you could just make sure by doing that, by hitting this. Make sure, keep going, I just passed it. Oh my gosh, right there. All right, next I want you to take a look at your little transmitter here. Make sure that the battery is put in, and you could make sure that that is done by just putting that in there. You should already have one included. Always have an extra one. You can go to O'Reilly's Auto Center and get it from there. Make sure your settings are set just like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down. And I'm going to just show you really quickly. Let me just tilt this over. I'm just going to press this button and it triggers it. Okay, now what you're going to do with this is going to go right on top of your camera. So you'll notice I'm sliding that there. Now I'm tightening this ring for it to live here, just like that. And now it will sink to the top of your flash just like that. So this screw is to screw it onto the actual flash rod. This right here is to adjust your angles. And then you put your umbrella on the center, and then you use that one to tighten the umbrella into the socket so it doesn't come flying out. But that's how you successfully set up your flash. Let me know if you guys have any questions, concerns. Again, this is Agatha with 360 Photo Booth Expert. Thanks for watching.